Herkimer County Legislature chair arrested again, this time for firearm safety. Times-Telegram. The Herkimer County Legislature chair has been arrested again, this time for firearm safety, according to a statement from New York State Police. Below are your comments. Ran out of fuel and left the firearm. Imagine if he took it with him. What he should have done was take the ammo with him, but I will assume the vehicle he was driving had no separate trunk or storage area that allowed the firearm to be separated from the ammo in a separate. But now he is leaving an unsecured firearm behind. What a underscore. S just saying, when I travel mine are locked in an independent storage case with a lock, and the ammo is also stored separate in its own storage case also with a lock. The charging handles and firing pins are removed and each placed separately inside the vehicle. Just another politician that thinks they are above the law. Unbelievable. A lawmaker and a ex-Marine to boot. Like my dad told me growing up, legislators can make and pass all the laws they want. 00. Who's going to abide and who's going to enforce? 00. Ran out of fuel? Wish there was a gauge they could put in a vehicle so that could be avoided. Look at who concealed carry appeals to. Are these completely level-headed, 100% rational and reasonable folks? In my experience, no. A wound-up jabbering Vietnam vet shot a finger off fiddling with his pistol at his workstation WHER. Work. My boss was MAGA at the time, and okayed concealed carry. No firearm laws so you can call out or call the cops on violators. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.